John White's and Bill Must commentary. This update supersedes all other updates and O-News updates. The update is the one that will memorialize this vision of Mr. Ash Mufareh. Has it dawned on all founders that this is the first of its kind to encompass a learning platform that prepared each founder who enters Victory with Ash? The necessary tools and mentoring that, if you get trained on how to operate this business, is the best that money can't buy. The way we founders will pay for these courses is by paying attention, then applying what we have been taught to not just Mr. Mufareh's new company, but any business venture you would want to create. This course is the blueprint to massive illuminated success. All of the information about how to make money online will become obsolete when users stuck in outdated content are exposed to what Victory with Ash platform on turning ordinary people into extraordinary entrepreneurs. Each founder and future customers, who not just satisfied by being just customers, become prime candidates to enter into Victory with Ash platform and then into Mr. Ash Mufareh's new company. But here is the insane thing. What if the only way that the new ones could get into the Victory with Ash platform is by invitation only from a founder who will have links to invite them in? That would be phenomenal. Remember, the genesis is the placing of present founders into premier positions. They will start this with links created by the technology team of Mr. Ash Mufareh. Can you say excitement on steroids? To quote Mr. Ash Mufareh, "These are not recycled motivational talks or generic online courses. They are high-quality, practical, skill-building programs designed by the experts to help you grow, develop your business abilities, and become the best possible version of yourself. Any previous organizational hierarchy or position will not apply here." What does hierarchy mean? A system or organization in which people or groups are ranked one above the other, according to status or authority. The previous organization is inoperable. The only entity coming from that old organization is Mr. Ash Mufareh. That hierarchy will not be carried over from the old organization to the new organization. It is a brand new start. Oh, what a relief that is, like breathing fresh air. Our priority is centered on responsibility, not entitlement. What's past is past. Our eyes and our efforts are focused on the future. All we have to do are follow directions and be patient and wait. It's not costing a penny to just wait.